Alright guys, so here's your activity for today. You are going to answer 2 questions and they look very similar to the ones that we did in the video. The first question says the list shows 3 clues about a number. The number is less than 6,538. The number is greater than 6,355. The number has a digit less than 5 in the hundreds place. And then it gives you your answer choices. Remember, we cover our answer choices until we've shown all of our work and then come back to it. I provided you with the place value chart just so you are able to use it in case you need it. There are your base 10 place value discs right here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. For each of these numbers, you are going to model it with the pictorial form, and then you are actually going to write out the expanded form as well. After you've done all of that work, you're going to come back here and answer this question by circling either A, B, C, or D. The second question says, Mr. Moore drove his car 13,767 miles last year. Mr. Ortega drove his car 14,018 miles last year. Ms. Turner drove her car farther than Mr. Moore, but not as far as Mr. Ortega. How many miles could Ms. Turner have driven her car last year? And then you have your answer choices. Again, you have a place value chart if you need it. You have your base 10 place value discs, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000s. You have Mr. Moore over here, Mr. Ortega over here, and then you have your other answer choices here. Remember, you are going to model each one with the place value discs pictorially, and you're going to write the number in expanded form. After you've done all of that work, you're going to actually circle your answer, either A, B, C, or D. When you are completely finished, make sure you submit it to Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.